Have you been struggling with neck pain or headaches? If you have, then I have a special event that I want to invite you to. It's called the Free Neck Pain Headache Workshop, and I'm hosting it right here at Rehab Specialists. Hi, my name is Dr. John Stephen, and I want to share with you real quick what you're going to be learning at this free neck pain headache workshop. Number one is the single biggest mistake that people with neck pain and headache make that usually results in them having to take medications, injections, or even surgery. The second thing that I'm going to teach you are the 3 common causes of neck pain or headache. 2 of them are really common, but the third one is really sneaky and doesn't usually get treated by other providers, even though it can cause a lot of problems and pain. Number 3 is the top 3 things you can do to get rid of your neck pain or headache and get back to normal again. There are many problems that can come from the neck pain, including headaches or numbness and tingling in your arms and hands. If you have experienced any of these symptoms and nothing has helped make them better, ignoring them is the worst thing you can do. So click on the button on this page, the one that says Save My Free Seat. Click that button and register for the free neck pain headache workshop, and I will see you there.